Okay, so in this place, so I really needed us to pay attention to this diagram. This diagram is very important because I really wanted to use this particular one to explain what we needed to understand in solving this particular theorem. So it's very important. So there are key things or points that you need to understand in this theorem for you to be able to solve it. So I need you to pay attention. Pay attention to my analysis so you can understand how to solve this problem. So now look at this diagram. So when you look at the diagram, you can see that yes, I have angle at the center. So you always see angle at the center. So the angle at center is here. That is my angle at the center. And then this is my angle at the circumference. Now, when you look at that, so you can see I have two triangles in this diagram. So I have triangle XOY, and triangle YOZ. So I have two triangles. So triangle XOY, which is this. So let me call it 1. And then triangle XOZ, let me call it 2. Okay. So looking at this triangle, so we can see that XOZ, we can see that XO is equal to YO is equal to YO. XO is equal to YO. They are equal. So that means that this triangle XOY is an isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. And then if the two sides are equal, it means that the base angles of the isosceles triangles are equal. And that is why I have A here and I have A here, meaning showing that this and this is very the same. So they are equal because they are base angles of an isosceles triangle. So now coming to this one, YOZ here. So you can equally see that OZ is equal to OY. Why? Because they are equally another isosceles triangle. And then base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal. That is why I have B here and I have B here. So these are the things that you need to understand. And you need to also recall that angle Y here is equal to 2 angle M. So let me call here M. So it's equal to M here is equal to 2y. So when we multiply angle Y by 2, then it is what? It is M. So these are the things that you need to pay attention to. So you need to understand it. So you won't be having any issue solving any problem. So once you can understand this, everything is